This is Steve Jagger with PayrollHero. Just wanted to show you a new report that we've been working on and sent out to a few of our early customers. We have been compiling data for quite some time with our customers and their clock in, clock out photos from the employees using our team clocks. And we've compiled some reports. The first one that we've been sending out is the employee happiness report. The idea behind the report is that it goes directly to the owner of the business and it gives them a little bit more insight into what data PayrollHero is collecting and some insights into how that data may or may not be affecting their business. So here's an example happiness report and what it looks like. So you can see it'll have the company's logo there. It'll say, employee happiness report for the date, usually a payroll run, or sometimes we do them for the full month, and then which client, and then we break down what we've analyzed within the photos to talk about the happiness of the workforce. And so you can see how we can break it down, and then we correlate that with other data in the system. And you can see here we're pulling Google's Cloud Vision API into service and pushing the clock in, clock out photos through that, and then using the data that we get back from that in correlation with the HRIS data to understand a little bit more about our customers' workforce. So below that, these are just some stock photography, but we would show some of the happiest employees from their accounts, and then we start breaking down the data. So it shows who the top 5 employees are based on happiness, and it shows the number of photos that we analyze, the percentage that they're happy, and then we correlate that with their pay. In this case, the example we're talking about is Philippine pesos, but we do it with all of our accounts in Singapore or wherever we need to. We can do it. And then we look at where the employee lives to try and understand how the commute distance affects their happiness or how much they make affects their happiness. And then we have a little paragraph that analyzes that and tries to explain it. Then we break it down for employee pay just to see, are the top paid people the most happiness? Are they not? And then how does the commute distance correlate with that? And then you see we break it down by commute distance. Again, trying to understand if commute distance correlates to happiness of the workforce. And then you'll see we get an overall data. We break it down per branch. So what we're trying to see are certain branches or work sites happier than other work sites. And again, starting to get the average commute. Many of our customers are multi-location retail businesses, multi-location restaurant businesses, and what we're trying to do is analyze their data so that their HR teams can make better decisions around having people work at specific locations within a certain radius of that location, or trying to get a better handle on what they're paying people. We've also now started pulling in revenue from our customers. So they're sharing the revenue data per store so that we can see, are the happiest stores also the highest producing stores? Are they not the highest producing stores? How does the commute distance affect the revenue of the store? And then of course we break it down based on the entire workforce. So we show you all. And so then we give some feedback as to what this report does, some action items for your HR and payroll teams. And again, the idea is just to help the business owner, CEO, managers understand what is going on within their business and give them more actionable data from the HRIS platform that they are using. And so, obviously, in our case, we collect a lot of data for them, and we store that in PayrollHero, and then we work to help understand that so that they can make some actionable choices on what's going on within the system. If you have any questions about this, let me know. This is a brand new report, something we are very much working on and trying to understand and getting feedback from customers. If you'd like to see yours, if you're with PayrollHero and you'd like to get your employee happiness report, let me know. You can just contact us or drop me an email. And if you are not a PayrollHero customer and you would like to learn more about how to do that, check us out at payrollhero.asia, and it'll lead you to whichever country that you're within. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.